All right, we're going to unbox the iPhone Pro Max. So I got this little tool so I can kind of cut through this plastic. Let's see if that works. There we go. Just got to get the plastic off first. All right, so here we are. Let's check it out and see what's in this. Ta-da! Bam, done. So, this is what it comes with. A cable, which you need. Put that there. This has got some information in it we'll have to look at. And there she be. That is the new iPhone Pro Max. This is the biggest one you can get. It's gigantic. And I think I'm going to like it. Should we turn it on? Might have to charge it. Oh, there it goes. Hello. Let's take a look at the cable. So these just pop like that. And they come off. And this thing's shoved in there. And apparently this is the new system that they have. I don't know if this is, I think, a USB-C is what it's called. And this is the typical one you put in the phone. So let's look at the phone. And so the phone's got the same thing. You just go like that. And then this is supposed to hook into your computer. So I have to figure out where that goes. Because I don't... That doesn't look like anything that I have on my brand new computer, but we'll check it out. So apparently, these are the USB-Cs. This is the regular USBs. The new iPhone comes with this USB-C, I think they call it. And here's the difference between a regular USB and the new cables that you're getting with the new iPhone Pro Max. So these are markedly different looking things, so don't get freaked out, because in the back of the computer there is a spot to plug it in. So this end of them basically is the same. And I'm thinking that the new iPhone Pro Max will probably work on a regular USB. I don't see why it wouldn't, but we will try that. So this end looks the same. Go to this end, and this is what you're getting now with the iPhone Max. And this is what used to come with your iPhones, a regular USB. And now you've got this new USB-C. So do not be alarmed. They still both work the same way. All right, so here we are on the back of the computer. We'll just put our one USB in. And then let's go ahead and slide this one in over here. I guess it just goes in like that. Bam, done. So now we've got two of them in there. Check them out. Here they are. And I guess we'll find out how they work. That's how you plug them in. Oh, it does come with this key that you can open up the side of the phone and change the SIM card from one phone to the other, which I'm going to have to do. So I don't want to lose this. And I think that's it. It's got some general stuff here. And you get one of these things. I don't know where you're going to put that, but they give you one. Advertise. And there's our phone. Hello. All right. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.